Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, we began with the new chapter, an interesting new chapter, and that was solar system. We discussed about the definition of the solar system. The sun, its planets, and other objects and orbits are all together known as the solar system. We discussed about the structure of our solar system. Right, our solar system is made up of sun, 8 planets, their moons, asteroids and meteoroids and comets. Then we talked about the characteristics of sun. We talked about planets, where the word planet has been derived. What are the 8 planets of the solar system? Right, Mercury is the nearest one and Neptune is the farthest one. Venus is called to be the Earth's twin. Until August 2006, even Pluto was considered to be a planet, but now it is just considered to be a celestial body because it does not satisfy all the properties of being a planet. Then we talked about our planet Earth, and now we'll be talking about the history of planet Earth. Earth was formed around 4.54 billion years ago, approximately 1/3 the age of the universe. Volcanic outgassing means volcanic eruptions. They probably created an atmosphere consisting of helium, hydrogen gases, and there were no life-supporting gases like oxygen in the early atmosphere of the Earth. Facts about the Earth. The Earth's rotation is gradually slowing. The Earth was once believed to be in the center of the universe. Earth has a powerful magnetic field because the iron content in the Earth's crust is more. There is only one natural satellite of the Earth, that is Moon. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. The Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. Then I gave you this activity on Earth Day and on solar system. Now talking about Moon. Moon is the Earth's satellite, the only natural satellite of the Earth. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of Earth, means 1/4. It appears so big. It is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. The moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. The way Earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365.5 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin, but the Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us. The moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains, plains, and depressions on its surface. These cast shadows on the moon's surface. Now, what are asteroids? Asteroids are tiny bodies that move around the sun, right? And often, when planets, they explode, or you can say they are the parts of the planets which have exploded in the past. They have exploded in the past into pieces, and these asteroids are the pieces of those planets. So asteroids are tiny bodies that move around the sun. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are parts of a planet which exploded many years back. Now, meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the Earth and tend to drop upon it often. And if these meteors, if they drop on the Earth, sometimes these meteors are even as big as a planet also. Right, and it is often said how dinosaurs got extinct. One of the reasons which is given is that a meteor had hit the Earth, right, and dinosaurs were you can say dinosaur, it fell upon the dinosaurs. The entire generation of the dinosaurs passed away. One reason is this also. Often people say ki, how the dinosaurs got extinct. A huge meteor had hit the earth. So small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction, due to friction with air, they rub against the air and they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. A cluster of millions of stars is called the Milky Way galaxy. Cluster means groups of stars. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light. Why a river of light? Because a lot of stars are there in the sky, and thus it was named as Akash Ganga. Now, I'll just correct the spelling of meteoroids. It's meteoroids, right? So we have corrected it. All right. So we have studied about meteoroids now. Now let's talk about the overview of the chapter. At night, the whole sky is filled with tiny shining objects. Some are bright, others are dim. They all appear to be twinkling. A full moon occurs once in about a month's time, called full moon night or Purnima. A fortnight later, you cannot see the moon in the sky and you call it Amavasya. What are celestial bodies? The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. Stars are also celestial bodies which have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amounts. The sun is also a star. One of the most easily recognizable constellations is the Saptarishi. Constellations means group of stars. It is a group of 7 stars that forms a part of Ursa Major constellation. In ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also called the pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. Planets are celestial bodies that do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderers. The earth on which we live is a planet. It gets all its heat and light from the sun. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. It is a companion of our earth and moves around it. Like our earth, there are 7 other planets that get heat and light from the sun. Some of them have their own moons too. Now you will just go through these slides once again. If any query is there, you will send me the message on WhatsApp group. Also, complete your work and show it to me latest by tomorrow. That is latest by today now. Thank you.